Today I'd like to show you how I dig in smaller plants by kneeling on the ground. I always use a knee pad, and I have selected this Monrovia Geum hybrid. It's called a Rustico Orange Avens, and I know I'm going to love its orange color. So I first make a circle, making sure that my shovel is perpendicular to the ground so it makes a nice cut. And once I've gone all around, it is much easier to take out the soil. And as I'm doing this, I make sure that I'm bending from my hips and not arching my back. That takes away all the stress of digging. And once I have the right size hole, I rough up the roots of the plant so they establish themselves quickly, get it nice and comfortable, add the soil back in, and of course water it. Stay garden fit and enjoy your gardening.